Hey Vin Solutions clients, my name's Kevin Schmidt, and guess what? We're coming to your town doing the next workshop. This is a place for general managers, sales managers, BDC managers, and we get to put your store back on track. We're gonna give you best practices for 2024, good word tracks, and how to coach your team and do one-on-ones. I'm really excited for you to watch this. Check this out.
My goal was to learn anything different than I didn't already know, and I came back with pages full of notes, so it was very beneficial. It's so nice to connect with the Vin Solutions people face to face, but also to get with not just performance managers, but other groups, and understand best practices, what works for them, what are some tools that they use within the system, reports that they use, all because we're all trying to find and create more car deals.
I've been to 4 workshops in the past, and every single one I've been to, I've gained more value out of than any of the other companies or conferences combined. I really do find it helps with day-to-day and performance of the dealership, while also giving insight on kind of what's other stores are doing, so it's neat. 2024 has taught us it's important to know more about your customers, have a frictionless, really conversation with them.
Kevin did a great job of talking about the data and how important data is and putting the data in correctly, because the CRM is only as good as the information that you put into it. I think that is a game changer for us as a dealership, for just our dealership and what we have going on. That is what we need to take us to that next level.